Hey, what's up guys? This is Gaza with Gaza Performance Garage. Welcome. Today we're just doing a little short video clip, 5 minutes long. It's a weekday, so couldn't really get too much into detail of what I did today. But you know what? Today I installed a Tomei fuel pressure regulator adapter and an aftermarket fuel pressure regulator where it's fully adjustable to any pressure that you would like. Here we go. As you can tell, we're on my phone. See right here, this is the Tomei fuel pressure regulator bypass or adapter, and it's a 1/8 fitting to steel braided black hose, and currently we are running at idle 42, 43 basically. So we're pumping out a little bit more pressure on the stock fuel injectors, which means that it's good. It's good. So in order to adjust the fuel pressure regulator, all you got to do is pull the vacuum off. All right, once you pull the vacuum off, all right, that means it's zero inside the intake manifold. That means you're going to run full bore on the fuel pressure regulator. So right now we're running almost 50 psi full bore on the fuel pressure, and the injectors are spraying even more harder than a regular fuel pressure regulator. So this was adjusted yesterday. So as you can see guys, we're moving ahead with this turbo process. I wanted to get the fuel corrected first. You can't really do turbo without getting the fuel management system covered, because you can't really have good boost if you don't have good fuel. Okay guys, yes, I also have the 255 fuel pump. That's a 255 liters per hour pump. I will be installing in the car this weekend, and we should be good, okay? Because I'm running on a stock pump right now, and it's doing this, and it's doing pretty good. It's handling, okay? No leaks. Oh yeah. I like this gauge. It's submerged in flutterless fluid, so the gauge needle does not jump all around. The car is on it. It's amazing. Idles very well. The transmission mount is bad, and the engine mounts are bad. I will be replacing those with some really good. Look at that catalytic converter, will you? Sick. What were they thinking? Oh yeah. Alright guys. So this is Mr. Gaza here with Gaza Performance Garage saying, listen, we keep you posted this weekend. It's currently Thursday. This weekend I'll be doing a fuel pump install and the fuel pump ECU delete, so you guys can know how to do this, okay? But at least we get the fundamentals all taken care of. So we have the Tomei mosquitoes, the Tomei fuel pressure regulator adapter that mounts on the fuel rails, and then we're going straight to a fuel pressure regulator where you can actually adjust yourself manually. Damn, these mosquitoes are killing. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this short video. This is Mr. Gaza. Say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please be sure to hit the like button to all my videos, and remember, share. All right, this is Mr. Gaza saying we love you, bugging out.